Then 3, event banking. Yeah, this might be my own language of vocabulary. So let me explain, because this is very essential for improving our cost efficiency for any event we produce. Before I start to make plans for production, I want to know exactly what I already have in terms of venues and areas, products, people, and contracted partners and suppliers. That's for 2 reasons: responsibility and cost efficiency. The easiest way to decrease production costs in general is to look and probably use first the items we already have acquired through contracts or for other reasons are cost efficient to use in our productions. These items we need for producing our events can be classified to 4. That was space, staff, and support service. I haven't found an item that I couldn't classify to one of these. However, listing all items we have with just 4 titles makes lists of items way too long, for me at least. So I make sure I have better system for inventory and eventually getting required items we don't have at the moment we plan. I categorize items suitable for our event and event organization. I categorize and list everything in 3 levels: main categories, subcategories, and then items. Like in space, we have venues, then we have smaller areas, and then we have space items like room or specific space. In stuff, we have product categories, then we might have sub-product categories, and then we have the stuff items or products. In stuff, we have staff groups, teams, and then we have jobs or persons. And in service, we have service categories and service areas, and then we have suppliers, professionals, freelancers as a service items. When we have our inventory, list of items we might need for production in order, we are able to better include these to our plans. And in addition, we have a clear system for making task lists or shopping lists for venue management, sourcing, recruiting, or partner sales.